Penny Stock Friday. Penny Stock Friday, guys. Penny Stock Friday. Ayo, Tash Nas. Hello, 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 Jay. Hello. Hello, Tom. Hello. Stop. I was looking at some of these companies into the open, and let me just look at the news here quickly. Year end 2023 application for the important claims. So preferred. Okay. February the 20 February 21st. November 1st. Okay. Let me pull up the daily charts. Pull up the daily here. This thing's had some crazy swings, my goodness. Some crazy swings. VERB looks nice. VERB had news this morning and the stock has done really well. We're back to 40 cents. 40 cents. Traded funds, equity traded funds. Year. Oh, wow, that thing is going. Surgical procedures. 43. Previous high is what, 44? Yeah, almost 43.7-ish. Number of procedures which have been used prior year. Last. Solid momentum in revenue growth, margins, utilizing, blah, blah, blah. Metric, result, for year, driven by successes of sales, marketing team, blah, blah, blah. Focus training. In November has repaid with Physician, expand portfolio to including revenue, It's a long earnings report, my goodness. Sheesh. I want to read that whole thing. Goodness. What is he reading? I was just reading the earnings report for one of these stupid things about the news. We just need the monies. I know, Tesh. I just wanted to know. Halted and delisted at any moment, DP. Yeah, they can. 15 yesterday. Do you think about the stock right now? Seems like they got good PR last night from the management. What's the PR, Tom? I need to go back and look. I need to go back. I'll take a look. As the day goes on, I'll take a look. Good. Happy Friday, Rusty. Chapman, good morning. Amber, good morning. Daniel, good morning. Sham, good morning. Street Vibes. Dave, good morning. Good morning, guys. I'll take a look as the day goes on. There goes VERB, right? So this one's been getting spammed in Discord here with just as it's been pumping. So again, if you're wondering why it's pumping, take a look at Discord. They launched I don't know, like a Facebook Instagram thing, which we should have maybe expected that thing to. So, anyways, Verbs Market Live launches Facebook and Instagram social shopping technology integration. So that's cool, right? So when you start including Facebook and Instagram into your marketing thing, things that have hype already, anyways. Um, yeah. Yeah, there've been so many offerings. My goodness, so many offerings, so many offerings. What's the bid and ask here, though? That's what I want to know. So that's the 1 minute chart, and that's the daily. Okay. I mean, look in the week. Good morning, Pablo. How to read? Or is he using AI to read it? Sham, I know, right? I know. It's AI. Okay, so that's that. Let me go back to this other stock here. I'm just looking at some of these plays I want to look at as for swing plays, you know. So I just had to go look at the rubbish. Okay, we have a lot of time before the market opens, though, anyways. And yep. Anyways, there goes 46 cents. Dang, Nemo FOMO'd at 19 cents, but then he sold at 24 cents, which is annoying. But again, money was made, which is what matters, you know, which is all that matters. The 13th, if not no, no, some, March 13th. Today's the 15th now. The 13th, the 12th. 14th. Okay. Latest news. The 23rd. You're doing this so much spam, potential. Okay, sounds good. Look, we can take a look at that at some point. Hello, Emer. Hello, hello. Uh, good morning, Pablo. Is focused on engaging in partnerships with a large. The company is also its shift to a deal. Tom, you're in and you're green for now. The one thing that I can you yeah, I sent you, yeah. So the one thing that I like to look at, hello Fino, let me pull it up really quickly here. Let me pull it up really quickly. What was I looking at on here? Oh, I just had to come on here and look for some bankruptcy potential plays. You can do that on the website, by the way, on the Hot Trades website, if you wanted to. Already, you can do that. There's some cool stuff to do on there. Anyways, okay, so TradingView. What is this? What's that? Okay. FSR. I would honestly, this thing ran all the way last night to, what did we run to, 23? But then the night, well, so yeah, we ran to 26 cents almost, and you're in at 15 cents. I wouldn't go red on this play, Tom, because you're hoping that the company does something. Just play the technicals and move on. Alrighty, this is a company that's obviously proven to to take their investors to the abyss, right? Just look at the track record from dollars to pennies. So it really doesn't matter what they're saying, right? They can find a deal if they want to, but for now, don't go holding a bag because you're hoping they find something. Play the charts. You can take the monies and you can come back again if it looks good, right? So just keep playing the technicals and you're gonna be okay. Alrighty, cool, cool, cool. FSR. We've had a few runners this morning. They just seem to be a lot of pump and dumps. I'm gonna leave it on verb here into the open though. Leave it on the verb into the open. Virus and what's and thrust. For a while before going higher. Yeah, probably 50 is usually the anything below that level is usually the biggest resistance before you push. You never use the Hot Trades website? No, that's okay. Tanet, good morning. What's your position, Nas, in AISP? Let me take a look. CISS. Oof, that thing looks ugly. It's down. How does it look? um, no, it doesn't look good. Uh, that stock doesn't look good. I mean, it's just a gamble. Like it's a YOLO plus a gamble. Right? I'm sure these guys must have announced bankruptcy too, and a $6 million offering, which is not exactly what you want to be looking at. So, the next Solana meme coin to go. If you know, I'll have to take a look at some point. It's a monster and then JL. I'll take a look. I'll take a look at all these names. Today might be the day to look at stuff like that, though. And what? And thrust. Here we go again. Come on, virus. 33 months. Come on, my guy. Let's go. And what? Let's go. Go, virus. Go. 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 Go, virus. Go. 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 Go, virus. Come on. He's sliding to the window. Scoot. Scoot. And what? Get naked. Virus. Go. Let's go. And speaking of thrusting, Verb is hitting new highs of the day here. That thing looks like a monster. 49 cents. So again, congrats if you're in this thing. So that Facebook and Instagram, it doesn't really say anything else more than that. Shopping integration or how much revenue they're getting from that, but it's just it's like when companies have news that connects to NVDA, nobody cares what revenue they're making, right? It's like, oh, NVDA connection, ooh, send it, right? Let's go, virus. Can you believe it's been 33 months? 33 months, virus. Sheesh. Sheesh. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Okay. Let me see. And what's in thrust? Crazy, right? Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy. What are the bidding? That's not a whole lot of volume, is it? Okay. Come on, give us a break about 50 cents. Give us a breakout. 14 minutes before the market opens again. Let me take a look at the top gainers really quickly here. There's nothing on here that we haven't talked about already. So Verb had news this morning that they're doing the integration with Facebook and Instagram shopping integration. That's obviously why it's pumping. Micro penny stock, right? BTTX announced they don't have news. It's a bankruptcy play. Bankruptcy play. It only started running after FSR ran last night as a bankruptcy sympathy, and it did well this morning. JTAI AI. And then there's a whole bunch of low volume names on here that we will take a look at as the day goes on. But there's really nothing else. GNS announced last night, yesterday. Was it last night or was it before the close? I think it was before the close. Yeah, it was before the close. They announced something. I don't remember, but I remember I remember posting it. I don't remember what it is. That's because we could care less, honestly. Technicals. For these trash companies below 50 cents, below a dollar, the technicals should matter to you more than anything else they're saying. So, alrighty. Anyways, back to Verb because Verb looks nice. There goes Verb testing 50 cents, 250%. I bet you this is gonna spark a whole bunch of like these micro penny stocks. It's gonna spark some micro penny stock rallies, and I like it. I like it. Okay, so the volume on that is what's the float? Okay. Hey yo mo yo. Oh, I need to delete that. There we go. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Don't forget that Monday. Mark your calendars. Because if you're not here on Monday, I'm banning you. Okay? If you're not here on Monday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, I will ban you. So we will take back in like what is it, the lower grades, like, hey, present, raise your hand. Who's in class? Present, raise your hand. I'm gonna say, hey, is Tesh present? Raise your hand. Present. Is Lori present? Raise your hand. Is Naz present? Raise your hand. If you're not here, I will ban you. Okay? Deal. Do we have a deal, the Sothros? Okay, good. I'll do that tomorrow morning, the Sothros. Tomorrow morning. So, yep. So again, Monday, 11 Eastern Time. No. No. It's the time is the time. So yeah, we will have the CEO of it's gonna be I think it's something that we're gonna do a lot more. You know, have people come on and so How do we get our presents, Troy? Uh, you get a snowball in the mail. Depending on your location, it might be melted when it gets there. But so he's gonna talk about it's a Bitcoin mining company, by the way. So if I haven't said that already, which is really cool because they're doing something different compared to like a Mara and a Riot. So he's gonna talk about that. And then again, we talked about his previous experience as a hedge fund manager. So as we were talking, he mentioned a lot of things that you guys ask on stream, like why is the stock doing this? So he has a lot of stuff to share about that as well, which I'm excited for because you guys are really gonna all these questions like what happens, how come the shorts are not giving up. He has a lot to say about offerings as well. So we'll get into all of this on Monday. Event is going to increase cost of production and lower the miners' profits and la 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 la. Freeboy, yes. Oh, you're responding to somebody else. Okay. Yeah. Also think about it. These companies know, right? So they're positioning themselves in ways that they can still benefit. I'm watching you now on Monday. Let's go. Let's go. So again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Uh, okay, that chart looks interesting. Um, and hit that subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, yes, yes, yes. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? We have 8 minutes left before the market opens here. What's your favorite name going into the open? Let me know. I'm going to take a look at the S&P here really quickly. Good morning, Richard. What do we have on Monday? A surprise. Okay. Oh wow, the S&P is down $3. Let's go. Come on. My puts better print. Otherwise, I'm gonna fight virus. That's not a good idea. Because virus is. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay, I better be ready to sell these puts. Oh my days, buy. Monies. I had no idea. You know what pissed me off? You know what really pissed me off? Is so I'm sitting here, well, we were in Discord, right? And so, like, I'm holding these damn puts. And obviously, like, I'm happy because these puts were red. And then now they're printing. They're printing, right? So then it takes all day for the S&P to go down. And then, like, the last few minutes, I go to check these puts and these damn things are red because the market just exploded for no damn reason. So that's why I haven't looked at the S&P this morning. I was pissed. I was pissed. So keep crashing into the open, please. This is ridiculous. Today's gonna be that day though. Today is witching day. So today's witching day. Witching day. Witching day. Heyo, Stuart. Heyo, heyo. Yeah, Bitcoin is also selling off this morning. Okay, so that just became my main goal this morning to look at my spy puts and sell if I need to, and then I'm gonna sell, and then it's gonna keep crashing. Um, anyways, I've been wanting to hold these puts because there's a lot of time on those puts, and it's also a really nice strike. So they're kind of not cheap puts. But I wanted to hold them for a long time because I wanted the market to crash. Because look at the damn daily chart for the S&P. Look at this daily chart, right? It looks like we're selling off, but look at this daily chart. Look at this. Like we need a solid red candle, Look at this. We've been stalling here. That's why these puts we've been stalling there like for a whole week now, right there. So there's a lot of room to like. There's a lot of room on the way down. A lot of room. But SPY keeps scamming me every day. It's like, oh, I'm happy. Yay! No, I'm not happy. Victor, what's your position in Fisker? Oh wow, the S&P just broke below 511. Oh wow, SPY's gone below. SPY's lower than my real height. Oh my day, SPY. What happening? I'm not whining. Uh, nobody asked me about an FPL, please. I've given up on FPL. Don't tag me. Don't. I gave up on FPL. I won't be watching any games. Nothing. Nothing. I give up. How the hell Pablo got lucky is ridiculous. Is ridiculous. So don't tag me. Don't DM me. Nothing. Instead of underneath, I can't figure out how to change it. Yeah, it's really weird, Lori, isn't it? So you officially quit? No, I'm still gonna make changes, but I won't be like as invested as I was before. I'm not gonna pay any attention to it. I won't be watching any stupid games. I have better stuff to do. Good morning, Andre. Good morning. So a loser. No, you have been trying. You know what, Stuart? Who are you mad at? I'm mad at Pablo. That's who I'm mad at. Rubbish. How the hell he got so lucky? Anyways, good morning, Olu. Good morning. Happy Friday, guys. Again, don't forget to smash a like. Um, yeah, all the other fun stuff. So let's get ready for the open. So that's the S&P. I bet you QQQ and all the other names look very similar. Um, and the SQ looks nice. So SECO with a bit of a bounce. Interesting. We'll take a look at SECO as the day goes on, actually. Yeah. Let's see. Lack of skills. You made him cry. Good morning, Mash. Good morning, Mon. I won't be happy until Michelle and Peter pass him. Oh my goodness. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Now I'm gonna make like one or two, but uh, the verb, William. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. Na, 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 na. Yeah, the S&P looks proper weak. My goodness. Today might be one of those days where we go down 1%. But depending on how low these puts are, I wonder if I sell these things at the open. I wonder. Let's vote in the chat. Should I sell my puts? Yes or no? Yes or no in the chat. Yes or no. That's how I'm gonna make the decision. Okay? Yes or no. Well, obviously depending on the gains. Oh wow, this is looking nice. Yes? Okay. So two yeses basically, two no's. Sell at 509. I bet you we're going to 509. Look at that. We're crashing properly. No, we're going lower. I think we're going lower too. Oh my goodness! Keep crashing the damn thing. Spin the wheel. Okay, let's spin the wheel. We have like 30 seconds. So here wheel. Yes. Oh no. Do I sell my puts? Wheel says spin, 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 spin. The wheel said no, like aggressively. My goodness, wheel. Well, it depends how green they are, though. Yeah, we might bounce up 510. Depends how green they are. So let's see. I'm just waiting for it to. Yeah, no, the answer is no. The answer is absolutely not. The answer is no. The S&P can bounce if it wants to. I'm not selling those puts at that price. No, absolutely not. This is the same stupid price it was. Well, not even the highs it was yesterday. So, absolutely not. Crash the debt markets. Let's move on. We can come back to this later. MDAI. Yeah, MDAI looks like it bounced off the 200. You're kind of sitting at the double top there, though. So just be careful. Early this morning, we failed at $3 and then came back down. So, so that's the. I'd be careful at that level. Alrighty. So until you break above $3 and hold, I would be a little bit more cautious. Damn, those bits are crazy all over the place. And there goes MDI. You actually need a candle to close about $3 and then send it. That's not too bad though. Uh, thank you, Yi, for the mention MDI. Yes, love it. Yeah, pass and hold $3 exactly, Pablo. Looks like it's gonna do it here. Looks like it's going to. Hasn't done it yet though, so that candle has about 20 seconds left on it. So let's see if we actually does. If it actually does, GTI was another name that did well this morning. Obviously needs a bit more momentum. Jern with a bit of a bounce at the open, 76%. These guys had news last night. Uh, GNS is selling off from resistance, 44 cents. Blah blah blah. VERB is still just consolidating above 40 cents, so that thing needs to stay above 40 and then push back. Finish him. Alrighty, so MDI is still fighting with $3 here. Resistance. Mon, come join us. Come join us. Come join us. Come join us. Okay. These two bits don't look that interesting, do they? They do not. Wearing a very congratulate for destroying him in FPL. I guess. I guess. Announces update of okay. There goes. There goes. So that last candle closed about $3. Actually, that's the first candle that's done that this morning. So $3. You've bailed already. Yeah, that thing. Look at what it's doing though, right? There's no signs of consolidation yet after the market's opened. It's below the 9 EMA. Everything looks kind of weak. You're getting lower lows and lower highs. Everything about this chart is a little bit fishy at the open, isn't it? Right? So we've mentioned this so many times. Be very careful when you're playing with something that's below the 9 EMA, right? When you're getting lower highs, be very careful. So again, no signs of consolidation yet. So until you do that, until you consolidate and get some higher lows, and then different story. Oh yeah, Mon, welcome to the community. Welcome. Let me. It's about time, isn't it? About time. About time. And it looks like it's heading that way. Okay. Well, so Mon, this is your invite. So click that link at the very bottom of the chat, and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Welcome. Finally, welcomes. MDI still looks okay. It hit a new high on that last candle, and then backed off. We need some violence on these plays, you know. We need some violence on these plays. What's the volume here? Was entering that Vaseline. I know. Yeah. Lynn, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Form 8K for BTTX. Interesting. Okay. Let me look at Holo. There goes JTAI. This one did really well in the morning, really well. Then I think we double topped. Yeah, we double topped at $1.35. So that would be a level to watch as well as we push. Alrighty. So if you look at this, so the reason I say again, when you're looking at these names at the open, the reason you're looking for those double or like you're just looking for those higher lows on the candles is because then you can kind of tell that maybe the selling pressure is done, right? Or at least for now, you kind of have a bottom. So which is kind of what this one's done, right? A little bit of support and then popped. Um, so seems to have a lot of supply at the top, but it's bounced nicely there. MDAI, that thing dropped. Drop. On new levels. There we go. So let's see if we can get a higher low, double bottom, and then go from there. Already. The S&P is still sitting there. I think can do what it wants for now, but I'm gonna need 3%. The wheel said not to. I listened to the wheel. You know, I mean, I was holding these damn puts at 517 already, anyways. So 511, 510, nothing to be worried about for now. But today's gonna be one of those days, like crazy ups and crazy downs. They're gonna do that today. There goes Verb. Verb is like, hey, hey. But guess what? Guess when that happens though? When it actually consolidates, right? Look at Verb. Verb opens and goes to the abyss, right? What happens? It consolidates and then it curls. Next resistance 45 cents. Gurpreet, what's your position in MSTR? Let me know. What's your question? Ask me a question, please. Not just a ticker. Good morning, Turing. You're in at 960. Okay. Cool. Okay, MSTR. I'll take a look. Like the wheel. I still don't understand your question. You like the wheel or? Anyways, you're in at $9.60. Yeah, I'm surprised the stock is red. They had news this morning, so only concern for this one is it's been showing a lot of weakness, and also I think the reason why it hasn't really had a run with that news is because the stock went from $1.50, all the way to $10. Right, it's had a crazy run already before the news has come in. So be very careful, especially with today being a Friday. Nas, I would be very careful. Again, as long as it stays below $10, I'd be very careful. If I was in that thing, I'd make sure you have a hard stop loss in there. Forget about everything else. Put a hard stop in there. I would again like at the very minimum, you're not allowed to let this thing go below $9.30. If it does, it's dead. So now the question is, do you go at break even or do you go slightly higher to make sure you stay green? That's something you're gonna have to decide. Alrighty. Anyways, 36. Okay. Yeah, Verb had a pop and then filled at the downtrend, the little purpley line you see at the top, and then back down. So let's see if that thing gives us a double bottom above the VWAP. So it looks like it's holding for now. We're back to 38 cents. All right, so let's see if it stays above it. There goes almost 39. So that looks like a double bottom for now. Troy. Okay. You bought MSTR at 1689. Okay. Hi Didi. MSTR. You bought it at 1689. What's your question? What's your question then? Are you what's your question? Let me know. uh, I mean, obviously your entry is your entry is quite high, right? So I don't know if this is a long term investment for you though, or if you're just scalping it, or yeah. 39 cents verb. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna set a stop for those puts though. Set a stop for those puts. Okay. Mm, okay, stop in. So I don't need to pay attention. They can hit if they want, and I should be okay. Should I wait or sell? See again. What was your plan when you page? Good morning. What was your plan when you got into that position in the first place? Uh, right. So, well, what was your plan when you got in? Did you have a stop loss in mind? Good morning, Alan. Ayo. There goes Verb with the dipskis. Then, what was your intention when you got into that position? Stop it, FBI coming. Yeah. No, because these are things you wanna. I know, right? As soon as you put a stop, they go for it. But no, so these are things you want to figure out when you get into positions, right? Because you're asking me, hey, do I sell this now? I'm like, I don't know. Um, there we go. 30 cents, okay. Uh, hmm. Oh, that thing has no volume at all. Zero. Zero volume. That's a beautiful demand zone, data, isn't it? Mm, a beautiful demand zone. With 51036. Yeah, the March 12th. NVDA writing off. Yeah, you got stopped out. Yeah. The only thing you could have done here differently was maybe move that stop to break even, or slightly green, Troy. But yeah, that thing broke down. Right. It's not a big stop though, so you should be you're fine. Not a big stop at all. Today kind of seems like it was yesterday, doesn't it? You know, everything was slow in the morning and then something took over. So I'm hoping something takes over here at some point. JTAI looks like we came back to a dollar and then it double bottomed at the demand zone. So hopefully we stay above a dollar. And speaking of a dollar, it's no longer at a dollar, but it's volatile. MDAI not really doing much, but it's also kind of holding 270 above the 200, so that's good. So we can keep an eye on this one. Yeah, let me take a look. Uh, Spy broke support. Yeah, send it to the abyss, please. Send it to the abyss. Leanne, yeah, Leanne has been mentioned a few times, which is But I'll take a look now, Lion. A little bit slow, but look at FSR, right? FSR is now selling off too, so be very careful with these bankruptcy plays. Make your money and just move on because everybody else is. Wait, what is this? That thing's down 93%. 93%? Ew, Lion. Usually there's a reason why, it never, like, we've seen a few of these stocks where there's no news, but then a few days later you find out why it's actually selling off. Maybe they're about to offer a dividend and they took advantage of the rally, or yeah. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy. Yeah, Lian is a scam. Yeah. You printed for this for SPY? Well, no, I haven't sold them. I haven't sold them. SPY broke below 510, but then came back. So technically, these puts should be at the highs, you would think. But no, I haven't sold them. I just put a stop loss, and I'm gonna leave it for now. I should probably go take some profits. But SPY has pissed me off every single day. It's pissed me off for the last month. So it's time for revenge. This is revenge. Star, oh my goodness. Ayo, how are you, Star? Hello. Hello. This is time for revenge. Rubbish. um, yeah. I need cookie monies. It's especially over the weekend, Okay, let me go take a look at those puts. Let's go take a look ski. Ooh. Okay, one more dollar drop and I'll take profits. Deal. One more dollar and I'll take profits. That's all I'm asking for. SPY just go to 505. That's it. Not a big deal. Not like I'm asking for a lot, It's not like the S&P hasn't been exploding. Anyways, but now the S&P is gonna turn around and go boom skis. Okay, I'm gonna move that stop loss higher though. I will move the stop loss higher. So at least exactly. Then at least we're guaranteed monies. Okay, perfect. Tesla 113, love it. Okay. Yup. Okay, I just moved the stop loss way higher. Chances of getting hit, high. Doesn't matter though. It's Luna's up 7%, Captain. Funny enough, I was looking at Luna this morning. Oh, that's the daily time frame. Okay. Z daily. I wonder if that thing goes back to where we need it to go. I wonder. Yeah, no, WIMI looks good. It's slowly trending up. And the S&P just hit new lows of the day. Loving it. Send it, SPY. Ooh. Of BTC, yeah, everything is selling off, which is again what we've been asking for, right? Hey, let the market sell off, let the market dip skis, let us have dips, and there were dips. Adjourn. It is not dropping. It's sitting at resistance though. So 315 to 320. Yeah. 315, 320, lots of resistance. Alrighty. Did you where's Justin? Justin, did you add to let me see here actually. Interesting. Okay. No, Justin, did you add to your IXHL position? I was that thing is for sure on the list. It's for sure on the list. But I wanted to dip closer to $3. You know, I wanted to dip closer to $3. That would be good. Open out at 137. Daniel, congratulations. Now it's a runner, William. Congratulations, well done. CYB ML Babes, what's your position? Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, VERB just went to the bottom of the next pivot, so 34 cents. GNS is super slow. I'm surprised that it's still holding up there though, but slow. Yeah, you're waiting for 310ish. Yeah, if that thing can get closer to the lower numbers, I will like it more. So and then it just has to hold $3. That's it. Because if it doesn't, you and then it's problems. So let's see as the day goes on. Let's see what happens. You have to bail. Oh yeah, $2.99, Justin. $2.99. So CYBN, you're in at that price. Okay, let me take a look. Let's take a look. Ski. CYBN. See, in at 42 cents. So you're slightly green on that position for now. Let me pull up the daily time frame here. Oh yeah, that thing's been pumping. Look at that, from the beautiful green zone at the bottom to the red zone at the top, right? So clearly the time to sell this thing was in that supply zone. The bottom candle here today is what, 43 cents. Yeah, I would put a stop loss slide like at break even or at the bottom of today's candle. Is what I would do, especially this close to resistance. ML, if I was in that position and we've been struggling here for 3 days and we've struggled here in the past, I would be setting a stop loss, because we could easily dip to retest the 200, which isn't a bad thing, because if you're willing to come back and retest 40 cents, right, and stay in that position, then that's fine, because that's most likely what's going to happen. So hopefully it stays green though and it keeps pumping, but if it wants to dip, then it's going to dip to this level and then maybe go back up. So then you just have to decide and then go from there. SGD is doing nice. You know what's interesting? Oh yeah, it ran. I think Jameson mentioned that it ran last Friday, so maybe it's a Friday thing. It's back above $1. Yeah, you and Jameson are still diamond hand in these positions, both of you. Okay. Ownership submission. Another buyers reported. Interesting. Okay. ACHR Vance. ACHR. Vance has been posting some stuff in the swing channel. Insider buying for ACHR. I wish that thing was sitting at a nice demand zone, Vance, but now it just needs to close above the 200. Right? I don't like that it's closer to resistance than it is to support, but it's at least they have good news. At least they have good news. Here we go. La 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 la. Yeah. Okay, let me take a look. So IONM in at 53 cents. Looks like news might take it to $2. Well, good job on the entry, Lynn. Well done. It's actually done well since you bought it. Was it today? No, it wasn't today. So it's done really well since you bought it. So congratulations. I like that it's giving you a higher low today. Higher low, higher high. Very important. So yeah, it looks good. My thoughts on it getting to $2. I don't know about $2. Right. The next level you're going to struggle here with is this support. Right. So initially support ish, and then a rally and a fail. Right. So rally to 80 cents and then came back down to 20 cents. So this is your level. Right. So anywhere between 70 and 80 cents, that's the level you're going to struggle with first. And then if we break above that, then we can talk about $1 before $2. Alrighty. Whoa. Okay. La, 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 la. Alrighty. Yep. Welcomes. Yeah, Wimi looks nice. Wimi looks nice. What's the float on this thing? Doesn't say. Doesn't say. Funny enough, Wimi is very similar to Holo. Like they have the same business, same business model, similar. So 50 cents. That thing had so much support at 50 cents. This is why we tell people to to use technicals. You know, because again, just by looking at this chart, you can have a whole bunch of names on your list, right, that you look at from time to time, and you will see the levels, right? Again, like let's say you have no knowledge of technical analysis, you can still tell that this level is a bottom, can't you? Right? It's like, okay, well, we seem to like rally hard off this level, right? So this is the same level. That's a similar level, right? Like it's bouncing off the same level. So then you can look at this and say, you know what, this stock has been on my watch list for 6 months, for a whole year now. Because I bet you, like every chart we look at is something we've looked at in the past. It's very rare that we look at a stock that's brand new, right? It's always something. So once a month, you can go through your watch list or go through some of these stocks you've looked at and just see where they're at. And funny enough, they will bounce up the same levels. And if you take a gamble and it doesn't work, like if you buy up that same level, you just set a stop loss. Set a stop loss below. And if it breaks below, just get rid of it. Get rid of it. Yeah, Verb looks like it bounced off the bottom demand zone there, 34 cents, back to 41. Troy is gonna be going for a walk and singing, "Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you." Oh my goodness, that's annoying. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. That's the float. Okay, that's why it's not moving as much as we would want. Then that's why. Okay. Let's see. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. 32. You wanted 32 cents? Yeah, no, that thing just consolidated at 34 and then popped. Consolidation. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Hmm. My thoughts: supreme, what's your position? Let me know. What is your position? Interesting. 68 breakout could be interesting. PXMD. Yeah, see, another name that we've talked about in the past, right, Nemo? All the same crazy stonks. Anyways, so just be mindful that for WIMI, you have that beautiful red zone at the top there, right? 170 ish. Beautiful supply zone. Wait. I just discovered somewhere now and like MSCR, but stream collab with you. Oh yeah. Maybe nosotros. Oh yeah. Yes. Anyways, let me take a look at PXMD. PXMD. Oof. Sheesh. This one was an old stock that we played so many times in the past. So many times. Um. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. If it breaks above 75 cents, then yes. Alrighty. BMR. BMR. BMR looks nice and curly, doesn't it, Justin? It's a nice looking chart. Nice looking chart. That thing breaks above 940, and then it's 940. Yeah, 940. It's gonna crush the rest. So you're just kind of looking for a higher low there. It looks good though. Looks good. Nice and curly. I'll leave this one up actually. Yep. Leave this one up here. Nice little breakout. Is that the bid? Interesting. Alrighty, okay, let me set some stops here. Set some stops. Yeah, I like to look for like swing plays on Fridays. So that's what we need to do today. We need to look for some swings. Some swing plays. Okay. Now let me post some charts in Discord. Okay, I'm gonna post 2 swings in Discord. What 2 things we're looking at for now? Alrighty. One is a Justin play, which I like, and then one is something else. One is something else. La, 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 la. To there we go. Uh, there we go. Fund is sending it. Love it. Loving it. There goes BMR. BMR looks really nice, Wes. Loving it. Did you FOMO into this thing? I hope you did. I hope you did, Wes. A really nice run. So again, the two swings we're looking at, right? So one is this one, right? So IXHL again. So I guess I'll just explain this on stream as well. Again, Justin has posted this one a few times in Discord, which is nice. Uh, I like this one because it's coming off a demand zone and a double bottom, right? So they've done a split and it's bounced off this level a few times, right? So this level, would I let this thing go below $3? No, right? So again, if that thing can stay above $3, that would be good, right? Don't let it go below $3. Otherwise, I will find you and I will roast you. The other one is T-Nun. T-Nun also looks interesting here, right? So it's approaching that nice little support. This one ran like 2 days ago. It was on the list of momentum plays, right? So it ran. So just kind of watching that dollar, especially again, these names that have recently done splits, you almost feel like they want to keep it above a dollar, or they should at least try to keep it above a dollar. So then, so yeah, again, I like this one where it's at. Um, yeah. Plus, yeah, there you go. Alrighty, so if that thing can stay above, if this one can stay above a dollar and bounce, that would be good. I think the bottom of this candle is what? Is that a dollar? Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens. Alrighty, so I'm gonna leave both of them up as the day goes on, so we can pay attention. Or maybe these are just plays for next week, right? So we're gonna need to see what it looks like going to the end of the day if volume even comes in, right? So IXHL is another one, right? So IXHL is already bouncing. IXHL looks like it could cause some violence, but so does T-Non has a nicer float for sure. Like it's a lower float and it has a bit more volume. IXHL is going to need some volume, but we'll see. We'll watch both of them, and then go from there. Alrighty. Yeah, West BMR has done really well, really well. Yesterday and stopped out at 860. Ooh, that's annoying. At least it's in the green. At least it's in the green. Let's go, Virus. 156 and 26. Love it. You can tell Elon to sign the check. Elon, can you sign this check for sucking? Rubbish. 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 Okay. There we go. You need sound to die? Why? Are you holding puts? Are you holding puts? Puts and puts? Puts and puts? Puts and puts? To load at 504. Yeah, that is a nice price for sound. A retest of the breakout. That's kind of when that thing took off. That's when it took off. Interesting. La 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 la. Wait, is that where the S&P is at now? Did the S&P die? SPY. Well, it did. SPY went to like 509, 508, 87. Dang it, I wasn't paying attention. Maybe I would have been able to. Anyways. Come on, SPY. You're done for the day. Yeah, Nemo's done really well today. Nemo's done really well. Well done on those scalpies. Well done. Should be very, very, very proud. Should be very proud. Done well. Well done. I like the what Nemo played with. He played with VERB in the morning. He sold too soon. He bought it at 19 cents, but then sold at 24, and then he got into BTTX at 5 cents and sold at like 9 cents. Made some nice monies, 80 to 90%. So he did really well on that play. Did really well. And CISS, yeah, he played the crazy names today. That's for sure. I'm glad you sold this thing again. Honestly, selling this thing at below 10 cents was a good plan, right? Because it's resistance. That strong resistance. You don't want to be holding at that level, anyways. T-non looks okay. Again, these things need volume. They both kind of look good. T-non and IXHL. So they both need volume, though. They both need volume. And we need something that's pumping. BMR looks good. I wish you forward back into this thing, Wes. Wish you forward back. So 266. Okay. MDAI. NVDA is going back up. Yeah, NVDA is dragging the markets kind of. So MDAI, you got in at 266. So you're kind of green in that position for now. You're not far off the bottom. I would so for your position, honestly, you want to see these candles continue to close above like 16267. So if it's not, you might have to make a decision. For now, you look fine. It's holding a demand zone. You're in close to support, and it's holding the 200. So you look good for now. Just watch it close. Yeah, it looks good. Like it's trying to push, right? So we keep failing at the top here, right? We keep failing at the top. Like right there, we keep failing. 275 ish. We keep failing, but then we bounce off the demand zone, and now we're kind of riding the 200 EMA, which is really good, and we're almost creating a nice little uptrend there, right? So it's trying. There it goes, right? So it's looking a lot more positive now, Pyro. So good job. Just be aware that it does some silly things at the price that it's at for now. Yeah, let me go back. And guess what just happened? It pushed and then failed again. So yeah, BMR looks nice. Very nice. 915, very nice. So highs of the day 960. It's slow today, Richard. It is slow. It is slow for sure. For sure. I think it's volatile though, isn't it, Justin? Those wicks. I'm kidding. Yeah, these wicks are crazy. From 950 to 909, and then back up to 960. That's wild. That's wild. If you're scalping that thing really quickly, you're happy, but wild for sure. Get rid of those. Okay. Hmm. Doo-doo-doo. Uh, choose maybe. Choose. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that drop. Yeah. Yeah, you want to be very careful because that thing will undress you. Undress. Scan. 80. Okay. Sound. Mm, thoughts on snow recovering? Cool, JJ. What's your position in snow? What are you holding? Let me know. Let me know, please. I'll take a look. For yeah, verb. Yeah, looks like verb is just creating higher lows for now, Justin. Yeah, especially when it starts to consolidate like that a little bit higher, and then it just bounces. Yeah, so the first time was 34 cents. This time was 35 cents, wasn't it? So um, it really hasn't given you a higher high, which makes it hard to FOMO because you're not really breaking above anything. So I would be yeah. Let's see what happens on these red candles here. We might even come back down for a double bottom, 35, 36. You entered before the dip. What price did you buy at? What price did you buy at? Pyros, we just keep bouncing back and forth on MDAI, but the good thing is that it's holding that demand zone. The green zone at the bottom, it's holding it. So that's good. 190. That's what you bought at. Okay. Snow. Oh, you bought at 190. You bought snow at 190, and you obviously didn't have a stop loss, and then it just went to the abyss. And today it's hit new lows again. Yeah, it hurts. I bet. Yeah, I know it does. This is why we tell people to like have a plan before we go into a position. So let's say you're looking at this, right? If you're buying Snowflake at $190, okay. If I look at this immediately, what do I see, right? So let's say this is your entry, right? This is 190, right? First of all, we see a lot of selling pressure because look at the size of those candles. Now, that's okay. You can still look at that price and say, you know what? Like, I see a double bottom right there. I see support right there, right? This is support, right? Right there. That's not bad. Like, 190 is not the problem here, right? The problem is that you didn't have a stop loss. You didn't have a plan, right? So we broke below 190. We broke below this support. We broke below this support, and then we went below the 200, and you held it, right? This is a big red flag right there. As soon as we went below that white line, that's the biggest red flag you could have on the daily time frame. This was your problem. So you shouldn't have been holding that thing. So now with your question like what should I do now, I'm like, well, I don't know, right? So I would be hoping in your position that the selling pressure dies down a little bit because it looks like it's trying to reverse. Like it looks like the selling pressure is dying down a little bit. Like you compare these massive red candles to what's happening now, it seems a bit better, right? So you should still have a stop loss. Like set a stop loss now, right? There has to be a level now that you don't want to go below in terms of like value, right? So if I was in your position, that's what I would do. I would say, you know what, I'm down this much, but I don't want to be down that much, right? So pick a full stop exactly, right? If you asked me earlier, I would say, yup. You're buying on 190. This level has been holding for quite some time now. This level, like let's 183, 180, right? This level here, right? Support, right? Day one, support, and then bounce. You don't let it go below that level. If it does, you're in trouble. So yeah, for now you just have to pick a level and say, I hope, right? Look at that. It looks like the selling pressure is dying down a little bit because it's gone from red to green today. That's a good step. Hopefully it stays above and then goes back up a little bit for you. Yeah, I was looking at Luna this morning at $5. I'm like, hmm, 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 hmm. But then I started reading. I started reading the last filing, and you know how we were excited that Luna was going to the moon for they got paid 118 million to go to the moon. They also spent $100 million so to go to the moon. So they got 118 million, and then they spent $100 million, and they're like, "Yep, we want to go to the moon soon enough. We're gonna try again, right? Because these are." And then I looked at the cash on hand, and these guys had 40 million on hand. So where are they gonna get the rest of the money from? Probably from NASA or somebody, but still. I think that put me off. I wish it didn't though. That $5 was nice because it was sitting there at the open. Well, now it's gone skis. It's gone skis. But yeah, Luna looks good. $5 is nice. It was a nice level. Now you just have to. The rocket burned up on the way back to Earth yesterday too. Yeah, I didn't see that. I just saw the part where they did they buy a video camera with that 100 million? So yeah, no, I was reading what they said they were going to do for the next mission. Uh, they were bragging how like this wasn't an Apollo mission where they spent billions of dollars. They're like, yep, we only spent like this much money to go there anyways. So we're gonna try. Also, we're going to a spot on the moon where it's dark. We're gonna install more cameras. We're gonna do this, all the things they want to do. I'm like, okay. Does that mean you're gonna do an offering or no offering? But no, again, the stock bounced off a good technical level. So for now, just play the vibes. BMR is bouncing off that demand zone, which is beautiful, right? 50 and demand zone. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Mm, okay, let's take a look at some of these other names in the list here. I wonder if anyone owns the moon. No. No, because all these guys go there, right? Russia has been there, China has been there. I think when we were talking about Luna the week before, the month before, China had just been there and crashed their own rocket, right? Or stuff like that. So yeah, I don't think they really yeah. India too. Yeah, India had just been there too. So nobody owns anything beyond the lands on Earth. At some point, I bet you people are going to start fighting for. I'm sure if somebody finds a nice resource on the moon or some other planet, they're going to start fighting, right? I think it's for now, since nobody can really make it there and successfully, or like make it there and do anything substantial. I think they're all just like, okay, you know what? Anybody that gets there first and explores, uh, then maybe you get to keep what other people can still go there, but yeah, on the moon, yeah, yep. Yes, my country. Well, India went there and crashed. So Tesh is my people, my country, my country. Anyways, BMR is still pushing. What are my thoughts? Is the merger actually happening on March 21st, DP? Somehow I doubt that. No position yet, but I'm looking to get in. Okay. Like, is the merger actually happening, or are they going to postpone it again? I don't know. You want to look into that more. How we accept the moon and also accept the same time it's not to be yeah, exactly, nosotros, yeah. Elon Moon Ranch, yeah. I think whoever gets to the moon, you get to keep like your think about the moon as like the planet, as like Earth, right? Obviously the US is the US, Russia is Russia, Canada is useless. But I'm kidding, by the way. But no, you get to you can land in your spot on the moon, and then you can explore that spot. That's your land. That's basically your country moon. But they did not crash. They landed on the north pole of the moon successfully, but where no one ever landed, buddy. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it was just yeah. But like 1,200 miles per hour. Enter at your own risk. You're not coming back. As soon as you enter, your ship will be destroyed by diamonds, and then your body will be penetrated by diamonds as well. So I mean, at least you die covered in diamonds. Speaking of criminals, hey Gary. So yep. Anyways, is Bitcoin still below 70? Yeah, it's still below 70. CVNA, hopefully, hopefully. Do, 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 do. That's a nice little bit, isn't it? Do better. Let's go. Yeah, smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Let's get to 100. Let's get to 100, please, and thank you. Gary, make sure I will come find you in the UK and I will drag you. Monday at 11 Eastern. You better be here, Gary. Otherwise, I will find you. You and Zesh. Alrighty. So, 40 cents. You're going to jump in. Verb. Okay, 40 cents. Yeah, it looks like we bounced again a little bit higher, right? So this time we didn't go to 35 cents. We bounced at 36 cents. So your next resistance is that 40-cent resistance. Yeah. You think Neo might be a good swing? I doubt it. The reason why I say I doubt it is because all these EV plays have been struggling. All of them. Look at Tesla. Tesla has really struggled. Yeah, Gary. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, we have a special guest, a BTC guest, Gary. So coming on. Let's see here. Yeah, let me pull up the daily. I mean, Neo's kind of green today, which isn't too bad. Tesh, I mean, you can try it. You can try it. Like if you try that, Tesh, just don't go below $5.50. Please, 5.55. So you're basically risking 10 cents, which is not a bad risk reward play. But these EV plays, obviously, they've shown that they can be trusted. So you just want to be careful. Yeah. uh, maybe Musk Moon Resort and Spa. I like it. Will be a thing. Low gravity therapy. Yeah. Yeah, 40 cents. Yeah. So for now, 40 cents is a problem. And let's see if we can bounce again off 36. Off 36. Some of the bits in some of these plays. Oof, goodness. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Gyro, yeah, VERI's done really well over the last few days. Are you in a position? You bought Neo at 60, Jeffrey? Oh my days! You bought Neo at 60 and you kept it this whole time? Oh my days! So that thing is bouncing again there, Justin. Oh yeah, it's about to crash. It's about to crush 40, and there it is. 40 broken for Verb. 40 broken Verb. If that candle can actually close above 40, you're in at 39. Okay, there you go. You bought Neo at $60 and you held it this whole time. You brother. Oh my goodness. Again, this is why honestly, like as soon as you buy something, Verb is at 41. Verb is going. Yeah, that was a nice break there, Justin. A nice break. A very nice break. 42 cents. Ooh, it's the FOMO. It's the FOMO. So this is why when you buy something, it really is important that you have a plan immediately. Immediately, please, please, please. Um, right? Look. You want to see where $60 is? Right? You could have had a stop loss at 55, 60, $50, $40. And guess what? Take that money over to something else, and you make the money back you lost. right? People are too scared to take losses in the market, too scared to lose. It's again human nature, right? Human nature. Who wants to lose anything? Nobody does, right? Nobody wants to lose a loved one. Nobody wants to lose. Uh, so what are more examples here? Less less overly aggressive. We people just don't like to lose anything, right? Um, People don't like to lose, but in the market you almost have to find a way. People don't like to lose eyebrows, people don't like to lose toenails. I'm not a fan, not a fan of losing. Yeah, like there's not a single person in the chat that's a fan of losing. Nobody, right? Not just in the stock market. Losing money, you know nobody wants to lose anything in life. You don't want to lose anything. But in the market, like you almost have to find a way to be okay with losing, right? As soon as you're okay with losing in the market, I feel like you're gonna do well. You're like, oh well, I'm down $10, I'm down $50, I'm down at $100. Let me take this. Let me take this loss and move on. Let me go find something else, maybe a better opportunity somewhere else. Because the more you hold these things and you're like, I don't want to lose, and then your stop loss, your loss goes from $100 to $1,000 to 10 to 20 to is Neo ever going to go back to $60? Who the hell knows? You want to know how many stocks we've had go up 1,000% since Neo was at $60? A lot. So take the monies, go somewhere else. I like losing weight. Well, exceptions. Exceptions, Emer. Right? So take your losses and move on, please. Out of verb at 41. Well done, Justin. Well done. Base hits, base hits, base hits. Right? 39 to 41. Scalpies. Next. 6%. Love it. Tell the S&P to go down 6% today. Anyways, there goes 42 for verb. 43 incoming for verb. So these demand zones at the bottom held really well. There goes. We just broke about 43 cents. Justin says, I took 6%. Well, there goes 10%. That's okay, Justin. That's kind of your plan. There goes 44. There goes 45. Oh my God, Justin is gonna hide. And 44. Yo. In 45 actually. 40. Oh my God, 46. Oh my days. 47. What did you do, Justin? 48. These guys are waiting for you to sell it, and they're like, as soon as he sold the damn thing, he's like, yay, 39 to 41, I made 6%. They're like, yeah, he sold? Pump it. He bought? Dump it. Anyways. Oh my goodness, that's quite the pop. No, that's good, Daniel. Congratulations. I like the Daniel and Justin team. You guys play well together. Play well together. Wimmy is also hitting highs of the day, so congratulations if you're holding that thing. Ayo Donna, hello, hello, hello. Can I take a look at fun? Yes. What's your question though? Are you in it? Are you looking for an entry? Give me some details, please. Give me the juice. Give me the juice. The Ponzi scheme guy, Pablo, hiding from the 230% we're looking at. So it looks like we're hitting a double top at 48 cents though for verb, right? 48. You're looking for an entry into fun? Okay. Fun. Fun. I'm surprised Fun hasn't done an offering yet, Pablo. What are they waiting for? Maybe they have cash now, though. Interesting. They also had news 17 hours ago. Entered into a settlement agreement with. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. Anyway, so fun is close to $10. I would be if I was interested in fun, I would leave this thing alone until it broke $10 on its own, or I would wait for that thing to get uh, closer to. I'm gonna have to look at a smaller time frame here. The breakout is easy to look at. It's just the other way around that isn't so easy, right? So yeah, I'd be looking for closer to $8.50. So breakout or wait for a dip ski. And if we go below 850, just be aware that we're gonna go potentially back to 550 already. So you want to be careful with that thing. Fun is a momentum play. When it has momentum, enjoy it. Yeah, WIMI has done well, even with that bigger float. It broke out obviously, right? So breakouts are nice, right? This was a nice breakout right there. This was a good breakout. It's not really exploding because it has a bigger float, um, but it's done really well. Yeah, it is, isn't it? That's why we're just honestly looking for swing plays. Beauty. AMD. AMD. Like consult maybe ready to move again. Again though, right? Trade dog. Nemo played with that thing from 5 cents to 10 cents. So maybe be careful. Be very careful, please. Be very careful, please. Mm, how big is that position? Cool. At a dollar you sold 2 weeks ago. I mean, that was 2 weeks ago, man. That was 2 weeks ago. You can't be mad about selling this thing 2 weeks ago, right? That was 2 weeks ago. Especially in this space, that was 2 weeks ago, right? And it only started running really yesterday, right? It took off from a dollar yesterday, so the only thing you could have done here differently was set an alert for the breakout, right? If it breaks above 120, okay, cool, breakout. And then another breakout again at the very top here, right? That was another breakout at 140. So 120 and then 140. That was, that's all you could do here. So you don't want to be worrying about this stuff. That's Wimi does look it though. On trading with Neo, just started trading with. Oh, when GME started, yeah. I think a lot of people got into the market when GME was a thing, and that ruined it for everybody. A lot of diamond hands were built with GME and AMC. Don't be a paper hand, be a diamond hand. Selling is for the weak. The shorts have to cover. Oh my goodness. I bet you the shorts have made so much money the last, since that GME and AMC stuff. Just from like retail psychology. Right? Yeah, Jeffrey, come join us in Discord. Come join us. Don't diamond hand. Nobody's gonna protect your money more than you will. Please. With some did, most lost. Exactly, Dan. Some people made life-changing monies. I was watching the news at some point, Dan. This was like the same month, the same. I told you guys a story about GME, right? So like someone sent me a video, right? So someone sent me a video about GME, right? GME was at $10 going to $11 at the time. It was a podcast. So here I am listening to. I was cleaning on a Saturday, and I'm like, oh, you know what? Let me listen to this podcast, right? And it was a CEO of GME and another dude, or some other dude. I don't know. It wasn't maybe it wasn't the CEO, and they were both talking about the potential for GME and blah blah blah. I'm like, what the hell is this rubbish? So then I listened to the podcast, and obviously now the stock is on the watch list. And then the stock exploded to $20. I'm like, this thing is too high already. Like it's $20. It's $20. Like for GME, it's $20. What the hell? Like hell. So I'm like, okay, this has to be too late, right? Nope, $50. At this point, I'm pissed. And then it's $100, and then it's $200, and then it's $500, and then like it's crazy. And then some dude. Then now you see the messages on Twitter, and some dude is like, "Oh, I took my life savings and I bought GME at $500 because everybody said it was gonna squeeze. Now it's crashing. What should I do?" Like, well, well, some crazy stories. Yeah. Yup. Sound is popping. Okay. VERB is also looking really good. VERB is back to the highs of the day, not including pre-market. Pre-market high was 50 cents, just above 50 cents. Yeah, VERB looks nice. VERB just had to get Justin out of there, you know? They're like, Justin, Daniel, get out. Yeah. So, yep, 48 cents. 48 cents. Doo-doo-doo. 30s. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, Verb. You know what's crazy is Verb pushed to 51, like new highs, 51.50, and then crashed back to 40, 42. That's a proper scam candle. A proper scam candle. Yep, 51, right back to 42. If you caught that dip though, that would be nice. Well done, Captain Stop Loss. Well done. Well done. Yeah, a few names are looking good for sure. Yep. Oh, on this. Okay. Uh, okay, there we go. Did you see the scam? No. That thing is still around? Oh my goodness, Pablo. And then here we are wanting to protect retail. You gotta work harder. Yeah, you might have to do like your profile picture, Gary. Put on something on your face. MCOM. These guys better be on the OTC. Okay, good. 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 Oh my days. My goodness, Pablo, did we trash this stock and the CEO? Oh my goodness. We tried shorting this damn thing, they wouldn't let us, you know? Can you believe this stupid company did a split and it was at $6? Oh my goodness. Now it's less than a penny. Oh lordy. Oh wow. You have to rely on technicals, guys. Rely on technicals. Technicals. You listen to information and then you combine that with technicals. When you see a chart like this, it doesn't matter what anybody's saying. This is nasty. Maybe it's at the bottom now, though. Too bad they can't do another split and get back to $2 and then come back to 0 cents. Trash. AMC is gonna be the same if they don't figure the rubbish out. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. What kind of chart is that? That's the chart that sends you to the bridge. You want to know what the all-time high for that stock is, by the way? Let me go back. You want to know what MCOM's all-time high is, guys? All-time high, right? If you diamond-handed this thing, if you diamond-handed this stock, you want to know what your average potentially could be? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that number. You see that number right there on the right-hand side? See that number? That's a big number, isn't it? Then look at the low. You're basically at zero. Like your broker will tell you, please, please get this thing off our brokerage. Anyways, Verb does look good though. If Verb gets back about 50 cents, we might have fun with this one. Verb looks nice. Let's go, Verb. Let's go. Break 50 cents. Yup. $1,000 if you diamond hand. Can you imagine holding a stock? Let's say average is $500. Let's say average, let's be a little bit let's say average is $500, and then now the stock is below 1 penny. Can you imagine how you feel? Let's say your average is $100, which most people that diamond handed that thing, your average is above $100. You're at zero still. Yep. You don't lose if you don't sell. Well, I guess. Like the formula. I guess. You don't lose if you don't sell. Wow. Yep. R7. I'm not saying anything. I'm just. Yep. Look at like Mullen is the same thing. Look at Mullen. Okay. Same example. How long have we been trashing Mullen for? Look at Mullen. If you diamond-handed Mullen, look at that number. Do you see $3,490? $3,490. That's 52-week highs. So imagine you were holding Mullen like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Your average is $10,000 or something. And the stock is what? The low is 550. Do you think you're ever getting your money back? Let's say Mullen becomes the next Tesla. You think you're gonna get your money back? No. What are the chances? Which way do you think Mullen goes? To Tesla price or to MCOM price? Pretty sure it's a few zeros. Exactly, Gary. Exactly. So don't diamond hand these stocks, please. Don't be a diamond hand. Protect your monies. Nobody's gonna protect your monies for you. Nobody. I'm not gonna come say, hey, let's put a stop loss here, please. It's gonna go to the bridge, right? So, yep. I with your monies, yeah, I wouldn't recommend anybody. I mean, we did look at Mullen last month. Though. Was it last month or 2 months ago? Why? Because Mullen had that split. We know Mullen is gonna run. Anything is gonna run after a split. So then we pay attention and we scalp and then we move on, right? So you know what AMC needs to do? They need to do another split. So the float can be 700,000 shares, and the stock can be $1. So then we can squeeze to $2. But you can't sell. Yeah. So again, please protect your monies, guys. When you're holding something and you're like, oh, it's gonna come back, right? Who the hell knows? Also, don't be listening to people on YouTube, right? Don't listen to people on YouTube. They're like, oh my goodness, the stock is gonna squeeze. The shorts have to cover. It's gonna squeeze. Don't do that, please. Don't do that. Anyways, Verb is for sure the stock of the morning now. Come on, Verb, break 50 cents already. Your average would be 10K. What's your average now, R7? Just for fun. What's if you're holding AMC? What's your average, guys? Not we're not gonna roast you. Just out of curiosity. There goes Verb. We hit 51 again. So Verb looks nice in the trade. Yeah, I did then. Yeah, the I put the stop loss aggressively higher, and then I just got rid of it. Yeah, I did. Oh wow, look at that 56. Oh my goodness, 58, 59, 309%. Verb is a month 63. Somebody inhale, exhale. Oh my goodness, Verb. Oh my goodness. That's the thing with stocks that keep coming back to the highs, Like they keep coming back. There's that potential of pops, right? That thing just went from 63 cents to 51 cent. Like it is all over the place with these candles. Yeah. 10 cents of that 50 break, there you go. Yep. The fact that we keep coming back to the highs is a good thing. 65 from 50 in the same candle. Isn't that crazy? Wild. Am I muted, Kimbella? Only if your computer is on mute. Yep. That's wild. Let's see if we stay above 50 cents for now, though. If we can, then that's a good thing for Verb. If we can stay above 50 cents, please and thank you. You should have played with Verb. Yes. Yes. Perhaps. Okay. Why the S&P recovered then? Yeah, I don't. Ooh, Tesla is also kind of green today, isn't it? Not bad. I thought about Tesla a little bit. I'm like, should I buy some Tesla for the long-term portfolio? Like, nah, Tesla's too much stress. Too much stress. Too much stress. La, 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 la. Yeah, Tesla's too much stress. For our calls, yeah, that would be a nice gamble. Like some, 200, 240s, two something calls. 6 months down the road, maybe. But yeah. Oh no, Gary, I got yeah. We've been trashing Tesla for a little bit now, Gary. Well, we've been trashing what's been happening to Tesla for a little bit now. TPST is picking up, needs volume. TPST was one of those 1,000% runners, wasn't it? Let me take a look. TPST, Tempest Therapeutics. That thing has been consolidating here, hasn't it? Yeah, it's sitting in a nice demand zone. Not bad. Remember when TPST went from look at this, that day that TPST went from 20 cents, from 20 cents, 20 cents, okay, from 20 cents. The next day it was at $10, from 20 cents to $10 in from after hours to the next day. Wild. I wonder if this becomes like what's the name of that company, Wes? MGAM or something like that. Is it that one? Something medical company. I wonder. I wonder. Yeah, a ma'am. That's it. Yeah, similar vibe. From $1 to $10, back down and then back up. 7:45. Tomorrow 7:45. Okay. There goes a little push again. A little push. And delisted now, yeah. A man was nice though. MM has to be one of the craziest runs I've seen. Like the quickest I've seen a stock go from $1 to $10 ever. Crazy. 55. Been playing puts for short term on Tesla. All my calls are house monies. Okay, no, that's good. Virus. Yeah, that's really good actually. Yep, that's really good. Tesla. You yeah. Your EMC average? What, Kimbella? What's your EMC average? Yeah, R7 never told me her EMC average. You want me to buy your Tesla? No thanks. No thank you. No thank you. $27 is your average. That's not too bad, right? That's not too bad. I There we go. Yeah, exactly. Virus. It could be worse, right? It really could be, especially after the split. Still, MMTOP. People are still talking about that. Mm. Well, well, well. Well. This morning, zooming, zooming. Zooming. Stock at 72. Yeah. Yep. Um, doo-doo-doo. Is that the bid in the ask? Strangely stuck. Yeah, we need some more fireworks. Anyways, we Justin, this thing is slowly creeping. So slowly creeping. It needs more volume, though. My goodness. Only if this thing had volume. Only if it would be halted at $4. Halted, broken highs and halted. It does look good though. Slowly creeping up. IXHL. So I prefer stuff hitting highs of the day than from greatness. It really is. It really is. What was the last high when we hit this demand zone? Well, I mean, it did push initially to 7, and then backed off, and then pushed to 850. So yep, it's a pretty sweet spot, isn't it? It was. It's not there anymore though. It's not there anymore. So yep. Yep. Let's see. And that T-non is still just kind of stuck around the same price for now, right? T-non stuck around the same price. So take off. We need squeeze. And it's a swing. But it would be nice to get a squeeze in the same day. Squeeze. What's Verb doing? Verb is just stalling at that supply zone, 57, 58. Stuck. Na 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 na. La la. We need squeeze. 50. Yeah. Let's see what happens here at 50. I mean, it was only a matter of time before we had to come back and retest this breakout. So 48, 49, 50. Right? So 48, 49, 50. Are you Mon? Are you connected in Discord now? Are you good to go? You good to go? Let me see if you're connected. Yeah, you're good to go. Well done. Money flips is you. Money flips. I like it. I think we're just looking at that thing from a technical point of view. Like just looking at charts with splits at support, right? So almost like educated gambles. If they fail, right, we know that they're failing at support and we just get rid of them quick. You know? Yep. Yep. I like to gamble at support. Not at the highs though. No, thank you. No, thank you. So yeah, I think that thing needs to give us a breakout, and Tina needs more volume. Anyways, those are swings, so not overly focused on those for now. Looks like Verb is holding 50 cents, which is good. Maybe we can stay above. It's promising in their drug pipeline or something. Yeah, exactly. Wes? Exactly. $1.21. Yeah, honestly, just to play with it and move the stop loss higher, Justin. Or unless they do unless they do like GXA and drop news, and then it's easy to play after that. So yeah, just technical plays, and then you're just hoping that it performs. Is it halted up or down? I'm not sure. HCMA, not sure. If you look in Discord, the scanner should tell you, hey, this stock is halted up, it's halted down. Here we go. Yeah, 50 to 55. You're at 53 now. I think it's volatile. It's almost become a trader's dream. Trading dreams. Ayo, pizza. Good morning. Good morning, my neighbors. Yeah, Luna does. Dang. Yeah, should have paid attention to Luna. But that's okay. Luna. No, good job, Captain. Good jobs. Today, some trashy stocks. Yeah, today was a penny stock. Like today was set up to be a penny stock day. If you look at the gainers list, it's like, oh, Verb was number one, and then BTTX bankruptcy play, right? JTAI, penny stock AI play, and then there's a whole bunch of trash on there. This isn't even the updated list. This is just the list we looked at in the morning, right? So super trash for sure. But wait, is CJET pumping? CJET. I bet you CJET is at zero. Oh no, it's up 50. It's up 50% today. Another penny stock. But then again, it was an EV that went to the abyss and then today bounced, right? Yup. Just trash everywhere. You can still make money on trash though. I think we know that better than most. Like it can be trash and we can still play with it. So you know. Yep. Exactly, Kimbella. Exactly. So we're not saying trash in a bad way. We're just saying trash because it's trash. We still play with it. Vance, well, the day's here. Well, it was this morning at 30 cents. From 30 cents to 50 cents, that's what it's done. 30 to 50. Uh, Come on and send it. Give us more rallies. Give us more. Ooh, look at this, guys. Ooh. T-non is slacking, obviously. IXHL though is not slacking. Super low volume though. Super low volume. Super low. If that thing gets any type of volume, oof. Gonskis. Gonskis. La, la, la. Like that's an SEC filing or what, Vance? Anyways, there goes that 55 cents for VERB. So this was a beautiful retest, by the way. Look at that 56. Congratulations, Justin. Well done. Right, so retest of the breakout and then bounce, especially when you see it consolidating. That's nice. Very nice. Soon, Van. Soon. Soon is now. Please and thank you. Soon is now. Is that a glitch? It is not. Research funding bill proposal sent to Indiana. So worth watching the results of the proposal. Oh, okay. I've already hit verb 3 times. Now it's time to walk away. Yeah, walk away. Walk away. Yeah. Walk away. And CJET is getting entered. Thanks. As soon as Vance said it ran away, it's like, oh, Vance found me. Let me run away. Anyways, moving on. I don't like those bits actually. Mm, 850. Yep. Yep. Yeah, we need an afternoon squeezer. An afternoon squeezer. Afternoon squeezer. Let me take a look at this one here. This one's been slowly grinding too, hasn't it? VERI. Slowly grinding. Not bad. Nice little breakout. Nice little breakout. In futures, yeah, Dan, slow day. $6, Jay? Dang it. 17%? Dang it. Dang it. No, good job at being in that play, if you're in it. Good jobs. Yep, it's done really well. Really, really well. This would have been an easy close to $5 play with the stop loss below $5. Easy, easy, easy. Easy play for Luna. Uh, Earnings coming up. Okay. Hopefully they don't announce in 6 days. So next week then. Next week. Next week. And stopped out. Keep doing stuff too early. Oh, okay, yeah. Yep. Yep. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a runner. Houston, we have a runner. Uh-oh, it came back down. uh, it's that low volume though. That's the problem. That's the problem with this low volume runs. Again, at least the volume is slowly kind of coming in, and it's giving us something. Somebody wake me up when it's above $4. Let's see. The volume, yeah, the volume is trash. That makes it a little bit complicated to be happy with the push. It's like, yeah, it looks nice, but volume is still kind of doo doo. Kind of doo doo. Volume kind of doo doo. Kind of doo doo, but it looks nice. Come on, give us $4 already. When $4 to $20 over the weekend. Pyros is way too early. Way too early to tell. Right, there's hours left today, so whenever you're holding a position, every time, right? Especially with names like these ones that are a bit scammy. The plan should be, okay, I'm holding this position at this price. I'm in the green or whatever the plan is. Set a stop loss somewhere along the way if it doesn't hit, and then make your decision at the end of the day, right? The goal is to be green. The goal is not to swing, right? The goal is to make money. The goal is not to hold the stock for multiple days, right? So if I buy a stock today and it runs today, even though I wanted to swing the stock, right? If I feel like taking the profits, I should, right? If I move my stop loss too aggressively and it hits, then it hits, right? And then so you want to manage the trade as you see fit until the end of the day, and then make that decision. Say, you know what? Okay, I like this. Maybe I'm gonna, stuff like that, and then go from there. Alrighty. Okay, let me take a look at this here. Hmm. Uh, Wheat. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. How much of the volume? All of it. No, I don't know. Not a clue. Yeah, it looks like Luna failed at $6 for now, which is not a big surprise. Which is not a big surprise. A big. I see. Here we go. STI is going for the highs. STI. Let's take a look. Short squeeze on GeoEV possible. Short squeeze. Why do you say that? What's the reason behind the short squeeze? Please. Nice little 40% push. Resistance at 190-ish. Lion, but nice push. Really nice push. Yeah. On Tuesday, yeah. I was just looking at pre-market. Yeah, so yeah, Tuesday, yeah. Yeah, we look at pre-market, you have that supply zone at 190. 190. Either way though, like that little 10 cent range is usually a problem for everything. For everything. Yeah. New music, Rusty? No, it should be the same music. It's the same playlist, but then sometimes you have the songs rotating, so we might not listen to all the songs every day. But it looks like Verb is actually holding 50 cents now, isn't it? It's actually holding 50 cents really nicely there. Yeah, sure. I'll take a look. GOEV. There hasn't been new music in 2 years. Well, well, well. GOEV does look nice. That does look nice, especially with that float. That's nice. $2 resistance. Maybe this is yeah, $2 resistance. What's the reason for this pump though? Oh, I think it's because they maintain. Okay, they had a buy rating. They must have also had something else though. It can't just be a buy rating. It seems like it though. At by Alliance Global Partners. Yeah, $2 resistance. $2 resistance. Actually, should have just done the. Yep. La, 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 la. Yes. Okay, perfect. GOEV. Okay, the rumors. Okay, of a loan, no position. Okay. Also reverse split play. Okay, okay, okay. I see. Reverse splits. I see. Well, Dan. Well. Why is Can somebody tell me why this stock is stuck at 369? Where's Pablo? Can somebody tell me why this thing is at 369? There's a little bit of resistance I want at 370. Somebody tell me. 369 Pablo? Really? He did. 369. Anyways, I remember listening to that song while playing Need for Speed back in the village, you know? Need for Speed. See, you know, when like I had no, you know, when you listen to something so much, but like I never sang it, I never knew what the song meant until I moved, until you guys, like, oh, these criminals. You guys had a TV in the village. At some point we did. At some point we did. Yeah. At some point later on, later on, Peter. Yep. Yep. Hey, see, Pablo fixed it. It's gone above 369 now. We just had to say something. Just had to say something. Rubbish. Yeah. Imaginary, you know? Imaginary games. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, looks like GOEV is failing at $2 for now. Failing at $2. What if I search? Oh wow, okay. Choo, choo, choo. Anyways, let's what time is it? Okay, let's do 5 more minutes and then hop off. U-car, maybe U-car. Yeah, another one of those. Actually, U-car might fit the theme here. U-car might fit the theme of trash names. Pumping 6 pennies. Maybe. Perhaps. Sound? Okay. Depending on how we close. Okay. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. 10 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. Slacking. Let's get to 100. 10 more people. And then hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom. Come join us. Come join us in Discord. Come join us. Every day we've hopped off so far. Hopped off the stream. Something has gone boom skis. So come join us. It didn't work, but like one of those TVs where it makes the right sound, and then you have to move the antenna. You're like, oh come on, reception, move it, move it, move it, move it, you know. And then you're like, oh yeah, that's the spot. That's the perfect spot. There's reception. And then you give it a tap, tap, tap. Like, yup, that's it. The frequency is right. The vibe is right. Everything is right. Now let's watch. The vibe is right. It's curling? Okay. GOEV. Canoe, canoe. Yeah, if we stay above 177 there. 177, yeah. Maybe $2 retest, yeah. Oh, is it done for now? I'll have to take a look. Yeah, I'll have to take a look. Raising the rabbit here, etc. Yeah, pretty sure now people have nice TVs though. Then sure they have some nice TVs. Verb is nice. Verb just keeps bouncing. Look at that, 58 cents. Verb is nice of 50 cents. Very nice. Scalp, 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 scalp. Justin, you could have gone for one more scalp. The TV so it can play right. Yep. Oh, I've slapped the TV a few times. Yep. Slapped the TV a few times. What level to watch, Tom? If you were in Discord this morning when Verb came out, Verb was at 17 cents, 18 cents, 19 cents, 20 cents, right? It's sitting at the highs of the day almost now, and you're asking about the levels to watch. Tom, come join us in Discord, right? Come join us in Discord. We've talked about levels on this thing all day, right? So. Okay. There we go. 58, 59, and 60 cents. There you go, 60 cents. 60. La 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 la. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, Verb looks really nice. So that's 16. All right, Justin, I know you could have had one more scalp. One more scalp. That's okay, then. That's okay. Yep. Yep. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. 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 Let's go, crypto MGTOW. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much for the super. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the super chat, crypto. To replace the rice in your TV? Yes. New TV. Yes, yes, yes. I think he needs to clear 60 cents there. Let's go. We have a new member. Come on. New member. Big Ion. Big Ion. This is like this is Virus's gym name, you know. Big Ion. Anyways, I'm kidding. Big Ion, welcome to the community. You when you sign up for Discord, you have to sign up for the level that says Discord. Or Legend or Gold. So you can just go back to the same link and then upgrade. And you should be good to go to join Discord. So, Big Iron, welcome. That level doesn't give you access to Discord. Uh, uh, la, 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 la. Hmm, maybe actually. That's my OnlyFans user ID. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see that till now. Unbelievable. OnlyFans. OnlyFans. 11s. Okay. Price prediction, Aaron. there really isn't any use, Aaron, to me giving you a price prediction, right? It's like me trying to look into the crystal ball and give you a number. What happens if it doesn't go to that number, right? And now you're yeah. Anybody that gives you price predictions, Aaron, don't listen to them, please. Please. People can have personal targets, that's fine, but price predictions, different story. Uh, please. Never eat yellow or yellow snow. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk. Follow Mr. Chairman for more financial advice. Yep. Yeah, it looks like it's failing at 60 cents for now for the second time. VERB. Right. So again, if you're taking profits, congratulations. Forget about the price predictions. GOEV. Yep, that thing needs to get back above $2. So if you're yeah, if you're holding something, if you're holding this, Aaron, your focus should be okay. I'm in at this price. How much money can I secure? And I'm green now. What's the minimum I'm willing to take from this stock? Right? Secure profits. Forget about the price targets, please. Forget about the price targets, please, and thank you. Alrighty? Please and thank you. Yep, VERB is done really well though. It almost looks like it wants to keep going. So again, just keep moving your stop loss higher. As it builds a base higher, you move your stop loss higher. That's it. $10 share is what you want. I mean, you can pray and you can hope, right? VERB is scam. VERB again. Keep in mind, like this thing is also up 300%, Aaron. 300%, right? 300. That's not a small number. I know it's only 60 cents, but it's 300%. It's not very common, right? VERB looks really good for now, and it looks like it's gonna keep going, right? So like I said, just move your stop loss higher. This stock is also look at that, 62 cents, 340%, right? Like it looks really good. Let me zoom out. This stock is scammed in the past. Alrighty. The last time we hit these levels was this is October 2023, right? So that's the last time, 75 cents, and then it crashed. Also, the last time this stock exploded was from 75 cents. It went from 75 cents. Wait. That number doesn't seem right. No, that's my indicator. So it went from 75 cents all the way to $2.80. And then they did an offering, and then the stock crashed. So they're known for scamming. So at the end of the day, make your decision and decide if you want to keep holding or if you want to take some profits off the table at least, right? And then deal with the rest later. But for now, like I said, it looks good. Just keep moving your stop loss higher, please. Please and thank you. What's the bottom of that candle? The bottoms of the candle. Price prediction $100, Kevin. Oh yeah, absolutely. You can have your personal price predictions. It doesn't have to get there though. It doesn't have to get there. Trash stock, the large buy orders, I looked at it a little bit more. Earnings cut them 2 weeks, up 10% right now, but it needs to break 75. Sweet. Okay, I'll take a look at CDTX. I want to do that right now. CDTX. Insider buys. Oh yeah, nice demand zone, but yeah, you're right. It needs to break out. So I'm just gonna set an alert here for a break above like 72 or 73, something like that. If it ever does. Back to Verb, because Verb is the monster. Verb the monster. Na na na. It's an asks. That's nothing. Nothing. Don't read too much into that. Nothing. It's just lack of volume, no volumes. No volumes is what it means. There you go, 63 cents. Ooh, Verb looks nice. Verb looks nice, guys. If you're still holding Verb, type in yes in the chat. Okay, now we really have 5 minutes. So 5 more minutes, guys. And then we're going to keep watching this in Discord. Verb looks like it wants to keep going, though. But keep in mind, it's Friday. At some point, people are going to start taking profits. Yeah. At some point, people are going to start taking profits. So just make sure your stop loss keeps going up. William, come join us in Discord. Ready? Come join us. What's the bid in the ask here? Doo-doo-doo, 37 cents. Okay, very nice. Holding is a verb. 37 money. Okay, well done. Well done. La, 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 la. Good. Bid ask volume. Sound. Okay. So yeah, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go to Discord. Alrighty. Any last questions? Let me know. M-Sense, where's M-Sense been? M-Sense, where have you been? Where have you been? So again, smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link. Come join us in Discord. We're gonna have a class this weekend, by the way. So Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern time, we're gonna have a class. What? We're gonna have a class, and I think what we're gonna try and do is look at some trades that some people have taken, see if we can learn from other people's mistakes. Like, hey, you took this trade here. Terrible trade. I'm kidding, by the way. We're not gonna trash your trades, but yeah, just if you have questions, Q&A, right? So that's gonna be in the Legend Voice channel. AOD Rock, AO. That's gonna be in the Legend Voice channel in Discord. So yeah, we do these like at least once a month. Yeah. Bitcoin really hasn't done much today. Bitcoin is still below 70, 68. Ayo. Okay, let's see. Have a wonderful weekend, Annette. See you later. Yeah, it's usually these classes are part of the Legend membership. So one-on-ones are for the goats, and then classes are for the legends. Sometimes we do it for everybody, but again, it's part of the legend stuff. So, and yeah, you might as well upgrade to legend if you're not a legend member already, right? Because see that little cool bots you see in Discord, that's part of the legend. That's part of the legend feature. It's just open to everybody for now, but at some point it's going to be for legends only. Um, so if you haven't upgraded to legend, you probably should, because at some point you won't be able to see that stuff. So if that thing is making you money, um, you might as well just upgrade. Just do it. Just do it for the vibes. Have a wonderful weekend, Dan. Much love. See you in Discord. No more futurists. Hopefully it's raining so you can sleep all weekend. No barbecues for you. Verb, back to Verb, guys. Verb is a beauty. Oh my goodness, look at that. New highs at 66 cents. Sheesh, what a gem. Kevin, very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, Verb just doesn't look like it's done yet, does it? It goes down, it goes right back up. Doesn't look like it's done at all. I was looking at the chart so many times. Right. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. D-Rock, sounds good. Sounds good. Make sure you come back, D-Rock. See you in Discord. Make sure you come back, D-Rock, on Monday at 11. Otherwise, I'm gonna come find you at work, and I'm gonna tell your boss he has other things to do. Jay, have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday. Just don't tell Peter. Why? So Peter can buy and crash it for you? Or what? Or what are you saying? What are you saying? Okay. Bid ask. Okay, there we go. 65, 66. Watch, we're gonna go to Discord and this thing is gonna be $1. Breaking news. $1. Oh wow, look at that. 67, 68, 400% almost. 400%. What an absolute beauty. 69, 70 cents. There it is. Oh my goodness, Verb. Oh my goodness, 72, 405%. Come on, Verb. Come on. Come on. Yup. Speaking of $1, it looks like it's anyways, just keep moving your stop loss higher. That's it. Right? Move your stop loss higher. That's it. 410%. That thing is on fire. Okay. 73 cents. 74. 74. 35. Yep. 75 at the highs. 430%. Sheesh. 730%. Yeah, no, but if you look at this though today, what it's done, like for stocks like these ones, you can see the weakness in most of these things, right? The fact that this one, again, this is kind of where, most of you guys FOMOed in after the open at 35 cents, right? Higher low, higher low. But the fact that we keep testing the highs and we go to 50 cents, we come back, we go, we come back. Every time a stock is retesting, ooh, look at that, 79, guys, 460%, 80 cents, 81, 82. Verb is on fire. 82. That thing is about to get halted here. It's about to get halted, isn't it? 82, 84, almost 500% now. You sold 1,000 at 70, 72. Well done. Congratulations. Well done, skis. It's halted at 84. Yeah, verb is halted. Verb halted. So I guess, when these stocks that have news like that to do with like fancy companies, I guess we always pay attention. We pay attention. La 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 la. Yeah. Yeah, GOEV. Yeah. GOEV finally broke $2. So highs of the day. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Slow and steady. Okay, let's see. 55s. Okay. Now that it's halted, 84. Now that it's halted, should we set a stop order? You should always have a stop loss, right, M-Sense? Always, always, always. That thing is off 500% on a Friday. Always set a stop loss. Set a stop loss, please. Set a stop loss. Set a stop loss. Please and thank you. Anyways, we're going to go to Discord and continue spamming. Alrighty, so if you're not a member yet, come join us. If you do become a member, send me an email. Email is at the top there of your screen. Keep in mind, again, this thing was in Discord from what? Nemo, what did Nemo get in at? 19 cents. From 15 to 16 to 17 to 19 to 20 to now 84 cents. So if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing out. You're missing out big time, right? Every day we come on and something is pumping and it's like, oh, you missed it, another one, right? So click the link at the bottom, become a member, come join us. Jay, have a wonderful weekend. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Is that today? Really? Vincent, I thought it like, oh, is this weekend? Ooh, this weekend? I had no idea. And again, I don't really know much about like a lot of these holidays, so let's close that out, please. Looking like it was. Okay, let's see what this other one looks like. Okay. Stock General, Mon. Is the market open on Good Friday? I have no idea. I'll have to take a look. Usually look at stuff over the weekend. Over the weekend. Yeah. So again, don't forget there's a class on tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'll remind you guys today. And for now, it's going to be for Legends, unless we change something. But so, unless we change something. Interesting. Yeah, unless we change something. And then, again, the day is far from over, so there's a lot of plays to be made still today. and we'll look for some more swings and whatnot. There's a whole list of things to look at. Of things to look at. Alrighty, y'all. Again, be safe. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't do anything virus wouldn't do, please. Otherwise, otherwise, and make sure you're here on Monday because Monday is gonna be fun. Alrighty, make sure you're here on Monday. Invite your friends too. If not, I just have a wonderful weekend all. This thing is on halted now, and we're gonna keep watching in Discord. Alrighty, bye guys. Bye bye bye.